Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to remove Ford Ranger seats. First, gather your tools, including a socket wrench set and a flathead screwdriver. Safety is paramount, so always disconnect your vehicle's negative battery terminal before you begin. This prevents accidental airbag deployment or electrical shorts. Next, carefully locate and remove any plastic trim pieces that might be covering the seat bolts or wiring connections. Take your time with these steps to avoid damaging any components. To remove the front seats, begin by ensuring the battery's negative terminal is disconnected. This crucial step prevents any electrical mishaps. Next, you'll need to locate and unbolt the 4 mounting bolts that secure each front seat to the floor of your Ranger. Once the bolts are out, carefully disconnect all electrical connectors and wiring harnesses found underneath the seat. With everything unbolted and unplugged, you can now tilt and lift the front seats out of the vehicle. It's often helpful to have an extra set of hands for this part. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel and give this video a like. Your support helps us create more content. On another note, looking to bring your space to life, the Echo Dot smart speaker is fantastic for music, news, and smart home control. It's a great addition to any room. You can find a link to the Echo Dot and other amazing deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Moving to the rear seats, start by folding down the seat backs. This will give you better access to the retaining bolts. Next, locate and remove the bolts that secure the bottom cushion of the rear seat to the floor of your Ford Ranger. Once these bolts are out, you can usually lift the entire rear bench seat upwards and then pull it forward to fully remove it. Be sure to check for any remaining clips or hinges that might still be holding the seat in place before attempting to lift it completely out.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.